system leaks a little bit, and if you don't clean the carousel between each synthesis, then the carousel will actually get stuck and it will ruin your synthesis and it will ruin your day. So to do this, first you gently unscrew this top nut, and then you gently lift. So I want to lift without turning. I'm going to lift up gently. And then I see there's some streaks here. This one's not too bad right now. But I want to make this completely clean so that when I run my hand over it, I don't get stuck anywhere. The best solvent to use for this is acetone. So I pulled out some Kim wipes here. I am going to spray my Kim wipe, and then I'm going to wipe this. Again, this one is pretty clean already, so I don't need to worry too much about getting off any of the sticking spots because it's not too bad. But if you feel any sticky spots at all, you need to keep cleaning. You also want to clean the base of the carousel itself, but do not spray the base of the carousel with acetone, because if you get acetone on the rubber or the wires here, it will ruin them. So I'm, again, going to gently just spray a little bit of acetone on this. I'm not pointing my acetone at the carousel. I'm just using a little bit of dampness to wipe this up. And again, you want to make sure you run your glove over here and make sure it's not sticky. So once you do that, then you can choose to either put your amino acids into the carousel before you put this on or after. It's easier to put the carousel back on when it's empty. So I'm going to find the big hole here and the big peg in my carousel wheel, and I'm going to very gently place this, try not to turn the wheel underneath. And then gently, when this sits down,